Hey there! Welcome to KnifeSolution. Discover the McCook MC69 kitchen knife sets review, highlighting its features, pros, and cons. This knife set offers superior quality and an elegant design, making it a must have for any kitchen. Join us as we delve into the details of this exceptional set. High carbon. Stainless steel with proper thickness for exceptional kitchen performance. Construction. Heat tempered for outstanding strength and durability. Bolster. Properly weighted for balance and control. Handle. Ergonomic design stainless steel handle for a comfortable grip. One piece made, easy to hand clean and no more loose or fallen handle. Set included 8-inch chef knife, 8-inch slicing knife, 8-inch bread knife, 7-inch Santoku knife, 5-inch Santoku knife, 5-inch Santoku knife, 5.5-inch cheese knife, 5-inch utility knife, 3.5 paring knife, 2 pairs of all-purpose shears, 4.5 steak knife 8CZs. Pros and cons. Pros. Durable titanium coated stainless steel blades. 20 pieces for various kitchen tasks. Convenient maintenance of knife sharpness. Luxurious golden titanium coating and stylish knife block. Covers all cutting needs with precision. Cons. Higher price compared to some other sets. Golden titanium coating may not suit everyone. May be too large for small kitchen countertops. Overall customer ratings 4.7 above 5. If you want to buy those products, please check the link in the description. View more helpful video from our channel. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.